What is up, everybody? Jason, aka Jester, and a funny thing happened a couple of weeks back when I was watching the RLCS Rocket League Championship Series Spring Major, where Moist made the second best lower bracket run I've ever seen, only second to the Cloud9 run against Dignitas. But it got me thinking, how much new playership is this going to drum up because of something that happened that was just that epic? Well, what I wanted to do, because you hear horror stories all the time about toxicity and everything when it comes to new players, I want to see what the actual new player experience is like now that the game is 7 years old. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up 2 accounts and we're going to try to get them to level 10. We're going to be using challenges pretty much in both accounts, but in the second one we are going to buy Rocket Pass because I want to see just how different they are. You start off with the new driver challenges, so that's going to be the same for both accounts. What we're going to be looking at are the season challenges. There is 2 stages open right now, but as you can see on the left, it has a mix between drops and actual XP. The right side is completely, when you buy, completely XP. So this is going to get you there a lot faster if you can get those done up in a fairly quick amount of time. I do think it's also fair to mention that you're not just getting the challenges. You are also getting the Rocket Pass. There are multiple items on here. We're going to cover this in next week's episode because I think it's important to cover that as well. I don't know how this is going to go, but I suspect that we're going to be much, much faster when it comes to pay to win type scenario. I'm not going to show any clips here. I kind of want to just keep this brief. So we're going to skip right ahead here to where we are level 9. And I know that we have a challenge that we can go and claim. And that's going to be the 15 online matches. We played 19 games. A little bit of a spoiler. You see this in a minute. But as you notice there, we were at level 9. We're now at level 11. So I think what's going on, I don't think it's a glitch. But I think when you hit a reward, it automatically levels you 1 and then gives you the XP on top of it. If we go to Profile, Career, and Stats, you can now see we did play 19 games. It took us 1 hour, 8 minutes, and 50 seconds to achieve our goal of level 10. We're now eligible for competitive play. This is, I would say, pretty moderate. I'm only about a diamond level player, maybe a mid-level diamond, and I think this challenge is fair because I'm the one doing both sides of this. Your results are going to vary as a new player, but this is kind of, you can expect hopefully a difference in time once we see what this one's going to do. Again, we're not going to spend a whole lot of time showing any clips or anything, but we do need to go in here and buy the premium. This is going to be 1,000 credits, or it's going to be $9.99 if you buy it in the store. Once you buy this, though, you now get Rocket Pass, so you are eligible for these items. Again, we're going to cover this coming up. So we're going to start here. We're going to see how fast we can get to some of those challenges or how fast we can level up. Here you see we hit level 4, and now we can claim 2 separate season rewards. They're actually both the season challenge rewards. This one takes us from level 4 to level 7, which is insane. And now we go from level 7 to level 9. So I'm pretty sure there's something broken on this, but I don't know what it is. But after this particular 4v4 game, we end up hitting our goal of level 10. Honestly, we did the same method in both sets. We played 1v1, 2v2, 3v3, 4v4. I didn't want to just be ones because you're going to get more XP that way. But as you come down to your profile and you go to stats, you're going to see that this took 16 minutes and 32 seconds. 5 total matches played. The difference here is amazingly glaring. And again, there's no problem monetizing your game. But I think it's pretty fair to say at this point that it's pay to win. You got where you needed to be so much faster by spending the $9 or $10. I don't even know what to conclude from all of this. It's really blatant at that point because it's the same person doing this challenge. At the end of the day, though, I'm really happy to go down this rabbit hole because I really want to see what it's like for a new player coming up in the Rocket League scene today. I've been playing for about 5 years. I suck. But I know that we're not getting a new inflow of people because they keep quitting. So next week we're going to dive even deeper into what that means. Hopefully you guys like this kind of content. If you do, think about liking the video. Subscribe. It's totally free. It just lets you know when I put a video up. It'll put it up top of your feed. But until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.